I'm about to make a connection now. Come up, kill my pumps, kill my rotary. Turn the alarms off. He throws the slips in there. Gotta open the 2-inch, bleed off all the pressure. Right now I've got 1,000. He's bleeding off the pressure right now. 700, 600. Alright, start to bleed off. Set my slips. Open the grabber. Break out of it. Alright, come up and pick up my other stand, the pipe. So I pull the slips. I run this pipe. It's 94, 95 feet long. Got a retarded crew out there. Alright, here goes the connection now. No more chain tongs, no more chain. Set it in there. I'm screwing into the top of it right now. Check it out. This is what's going on the top. This is 90 feet, 94 feet in the air right now. So this is my connection camera. Screwing into it. There it goes, starting to catch it now. See the pipe turning. Alright, now they're going to torque it. That's it right there. No more chain toms, no more chain. They torque it with the ST80. It's also called the iron roughneck. Make sure it's torqued on the top. Open my iPod. Pick up out of it. I pull the slips and go back to drilling. That's it. Got my little bills here. Boom, rotate. I just push that rotate there. Start rotating the bottom. Bring it down right here. That's it. I let go. Come over here. Push my auto drill and kick back. That's it. Now we just wait until it drills down and do the next one just like that. That's my life. 14 days. Bam.